Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I'll show you what I have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. These are a few of my favorite things to eat sometimes. So in the morning when I first wake up, I like to have a cup of warm water or hot water, and I add in some lemon. This day I did not have fresh lemon, so I did have to use the real lemon juice, which also works perfect. So like I said, these are some of my favorite things that I like to eat, and oatmeal is at the top of my list. I love oatmeal for so many reasons. Number one, it's very nutritious for you, and also it's very filling. So in my oatmeal, obviously you need the oats, and then I go ahead and I add in some almond milk just to make it a little creamy, and then I add in some cinnamon. Cinnamon just gives it a good taste, but what makes it even better is peanut butter. I know I've had people ask me why I put peanut butter, and I feel like it just balances everything out and you don't even crave the sugar.
Keep on hoping somehow we can make this all right. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Okay, so I have my oatmeal here, and then I got the fruits that I am going to put on top. I know a lot of people don't like fruits on their oatmeal, but I honestly just love it because it's so filling, and oatmeal is filling as it is, but if it can fill you for a long time, that way you don't have to snack or crave any junk food. I think that's just a bonus. So I just top it with a ton of fruit like that. Look how colorful that is. And then to end it, I'm just gonna sprinkle some chia seeds all over, just like so, and I will enjoy it. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I usually have a coffee in the morning. On this day I actually picked one up before when I did my school run, and then so I didn't have to make it on this morning, so that's why I didn't get to show you. It's either coffee or tea. I always have a hot drink in the morning. So while I eat breakfast, I like to either edit another video that has to go up that week or whatever, and also check my work emails and respond to people and check my phone and all the good stuff. So for lunch I was going to have a veggie burger, which I wanted to fry a little bit in the frying pan, and then I was gonna put it in a tortilla wrap. If you guys have seen anything on TikTok on the tortilla wraps, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So that's what I did, and then I just added in my favorite condiments and some lettuce and tomatoes and a little bit of pickles.
Side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do.
So I wanted to brown it a little bit and kind of make it a little crunchy on the outside. So with a little bit of oil in the same frying pan, I went ahead and I did that. And then to serve it, I just had it with a little bit of grapes and also a small cup of the rice pudding, the Cozy Shack. These are so good. We get them at Costco, but I recently found it in a different grocery store, so we've been getting those, and they are gluten-free, so that makes it even better.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna try this.
From high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound.
It's good.
Safe and sound. We just do what we do. Ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side. Can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do.
So for dinner, we were gonna have shepherd's pie. So I went ahead and I wanted to prep the onions that I was going to use. Shepherd's pie is such an easy recipe, and I like how it has the meat, the potatoes, and the veggies all in one. So it's a very easy dinner for my kids to eat without them having any room to be picky at all.
He got mad love. He got mad love. He's making me blow my mind, and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground.
So I just wanted to remind you guys that if you have not subscribed yet, or if you are new to my channel and this is your first time watching my videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on my uploads. I upload on Sundays and Thursdays, so always be on the lookout for those videos. So to season the ground beef and the onions, I just added some salt and some pepper, and then I let it cook for a little while, and then I went ahead and I added in my frozen veggies. You can cut up some carrots and some celery and some corn. You can add in some corn or peas or whatever you want to add in. My mixed veggies had green beans in them, which I thought was a bonus, and I had cut up some celery on the side, so I went ahead and I added all of that in, and then I continued with my seasonings and added in the rest of them. I added in some paprika, and then I also wanted to add in some garlic powder. I usually like to use fresh garlic, but I didn't have any on this day, so garlic powder works perfect. And then I also wanted to add in some thyme. I added in some crushed tomatoes as well, about 2 tablespoons, which was plenty. But if you don't have any crushed tomatoes, you can go ahead and add in tomato paste and it will do the same thing. In this bowl, I had 1 cup of beef broth. I added in a little bit of soy sauce to it, and then I added in some cornstarch, and the cornstarch will just bind everything together and thicken it up so it's not watery when you add in your potatoes on top. And I added it in, and then I let it cook. I let it simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. So I had my potatoes ready to be cooked. I boiled them in salted water, and then I went ahead and I mashed them while the veggies were still cooking a little bit. The veggie and the meat were still cooking a little bit. So to the mashed potatoes, I just added in some butter and some milk, and then for extra yumminess, I added in some shredded mozzarella cheese.
On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving to the end, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving.
So let me know in the comments down below if this is a kind of video that you guys would like to see more of in the future. I would love to share with you guys some of the food that I love to eat. So yeah, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you love videos like this, and also hit the thumbs up button or share with your friends, and that will also let me know that you love the video.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on.
Once everything was cooked, I went ahead and I assembled everything in my oven safe dish, and I started off with the meat, and then on top I just added it the mashed potatoes. You know, if you've made shepherd's pie, you know exactly how it goes. So then I spread it around, and then I made a pattern. Some people like to add cheese on top to kind of make it crunchy and yummy once you bake it, but I did not add anything on top. You can also do an egg wash and brush it right on there. I didn't do any of that, and my the top was still crunchy for me because I broiled it for about 5 minutes after everything was cooked. I went ahead and I put it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, and it was perfect. So here I am just doing my little fork trick. Nothing to it, but I wanted to do something cute on the top, and this is the pattern that I decided to go with. If you're more creative than me, go ahead, do whatever you gotta do. But yeah, this is how it turned out before I put it in the oven. And then look at this, you guys. It was so good.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you like to pick and choose. Make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head.
So by this time, my husband and my kids were outside enjoying the good weather. So I was inside setting the table and getting ready for them to come in and enjoy this dinner with me. That is it, you guys. I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for sticking around. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, and let me know again down in the comments if you would like to see more videos like this. Until the next one, I'll see you guys. Bye.